Hello, everyone, and welcome to Black Friday Week 2020. I'm really excited to be bringing you this year's offers and kind of start the races on some kind of normality again. It's been a tough year for many of us, and with all the restrictions that are currently in place, I hope that you and your family are safe first and foremost. But Black Friday seems to be just as good as any other year, thankfully. So it's good to have some stability there. In this video, I just wanted to quickly go through some of the deals that are available now as you're watching this video. And there are some deals that are coming a little bit later. It's been a bit of a tradition or a trend, I guess, to move a little bit further away from Black Friday to the point where I think most people now consider it like Black Friday week. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get to a point in the future where it's just Black Friday month. The deals start in the beginning of November. But anyway, I have scoured the internet and collected as many deals as I could find. And here they are. So you will notice in the list it says like mystery deal, and those are simply deals that I'm not allowed to reveal yet. In the table, you can check out when I'm allowed to reveal it. So this one's coming November 27, this one November 25, 27, 27. So there are some companies still left that actually do Black Friday properly. They start the deal on Black Friday and end it maybe on Cyber Monday, the Monday following. So the feature deal is 67 to 75% off the massive uncovered courses by Ollie Richards. These courses are almost never discounted. You can get Japanese this year, and the Japanese is usually $400, and I can get it for $100. And so that's why I picked that as the top deal. It's just a great quality product, and it's a product that's very rarely discounted, if at all. Normally you just get bonuses included as a deal whenever he's doing it. You can see up to 90% discount. Some of these discounts are to be, you have to take these with a grain of salt. Some of them, you were never going to buy all the things that are included in some of these bundles. So just be a little bit reasonable with your evaluation of the deals. I've made a few videos on some of these deals, so you can check out my kind of general feeling. And of course, I have to mention the bite-sized languages bundle. I'm really excited to have my own courses in a Black Friday bundle. For some reason, I've been kind of following Black Friday online for many, many years, and I bought a lot of crap as well. So don't get me wrong, but to have your own products is kind of special. Even though, at this price, I don't know if it's the most if I should be happy or crying. But yeah, I'm happy. I want people to use the courses, and of course, yeah, I want more people to use it for sure. So I'm happy. I'm super happy. So yeah, we got the usual suspects. We got Mosalingua, the big bundle. Benny Lewis with a massive bundle. Anthony Mativier, Magnetic Memory Method, big bundle. This is kind of a bundle season. The bite-sized bundle. You've got the Intrepid language bundle. It's all three of them for the price of one. Are those the only bundles? Yes, that seems to be the only bundles for now, but a lot of them are bundles. But anyway, check the link in the description below for these deals, and let me know which one is your favorite. Some of them are a little bit sketchy, like I'm talking about Babbel and Rosetta Stone. I think they discount so often, sometimes even as high as this. So I don't really trust them when they come out with Black Friday deals. It's just not as special. So, but anyway, enjoy it. I just want to say thank you for watching this video, for being a subscriber. If you are subscribed, if you're not subscribed, what you're waiting for, all good language stuff, all good deals, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I'm going to bring you all of it. So thank you so much for following this and, responsible shopping.